How to share Google Calendar with others. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you this simple and easy tutorial. Now, you can go ahead and do this from your mobile devices, or in my case, I'm doing it from my Windows computer. And inside Google Calendar, all you have to do is to go ahead and navigate through your calendars right here. Now in my case, I have multiple calendar, which is my task, my birthday, and the other one. You also can go ahead and see other calendars right here that are being shared with you. Now, how can you go ahead and share this calendar? It's really simple. Just navigate through a specific calendar. Let's just say that I want to go ahead and share this calendar right here, and all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the three dots at the corner of that specific calendar, and from here you can then go ahead and see a setting called settings and sharing. Once inside, you can then see the calendar settings, and if you scroll down, you can see the access permission for events right here. Now, if you want to go ahead and make your calendar public, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on this box right here, and it will make our calendar public. And so if we click on the get shareable link, share this specific link to others, they can go ahead and open up our Google Calendar. But if you want to go ahead and share your calendar with specific people or groups, you can just navigate through this tab, and from here click on people and groups. Now inside, just go ahead and add their email or name. Click on this menu right here, and inside we have multiple options or access to our specific calendar, which is the see only, free BC, all event details, make changes to events, and lastly, make changes and manage sharing. Now right after that, go ahead and click on send, and Google will personally send a message to that specific email telling them that they have access to this specific calendar. And so if this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.